Here are some of the most important questions you need to practice if you want to pass the California DMV permit test. This is part 2 of our series. Now, let's get started. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, A. Drive at a speed that you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Turn on the four-way flashing lights. Answer is A. Drive at a speed that you can stop within the area illuminated by your headlights. Next question. It is more dangerous to drive at night than during the day because A. You cannot see as far ahead at night. B. The road is always more slippery at night. C. Your reaction time is lower at night. The answer is A. You cannot see as far ahead at night. The next question. When parking your vehicle on any hill, A. Your front wheels should be parallel to the road if there is a curb. B. Use your parking brake and leave the vehicle in park. C. Your front wheels should be parallel to the road if there is no curb. Answer is B. Use your parking brake and leave the vehicle in park. Next question. You want to park uphill on a two-way road and there is no curb? Which direction do you turn your front wheels? A. Straight ahead. B. Right toward the side of the road. C. Left toward the center of the road. Answer is B. Right toward the side of the road. The next one. You are approaching a green traffic light, and traffic is blocking the intersection. What is the best thing to do? A. Partially enter the intersection to establish your right-of-way. B. Don't enter the intersection until you can get completely across. C. Continue into the intersection and wait for traffic to clear. Answer is B. Don't enter the intersection until you can get completely across. This is the next question. In rain or snow, a safe way to let other drivers know you are there is to A. Turn on the high beam headlights. B. Turn on your parking lights. C. Turn on your low beam headlights. Answer is C. Turn on your low beam headlights. The next question is, if you need to park facing uphill on a street with a curb, you should A. Turn your front wheels away from the curb. B. Turn your front wheels away from the center of the road. C. Keep your wheels straight. Answer is A. Turn your front wheels away from the curb. The next question. Large trucks turning right onto a street with two lanes in each direction. A. May complete their turn in either the left or right lane. B. Often have to use part of the left lane to complete their turn. C. Must always stay in the right lane while turning. Answer is B. Often have to use part of the left lane to complete their turn. The next question. Fatigue increases the risk of A. Missing an exit. B. Being late for an appointment. C. Falling asleep behind the wheel and crashing. Answer is C. Falling asleep behind the wheel and crashing. Next quiz. You should not start across an intersection if you know you will block the intersection when the light turns red? A. Under any circumstances. B. Unless you entered the intersection on a green light. C. Unless you can pass halfway through the intersection. Answer is A. Under any circumstances. Which of the following factors affect an individual's absorption of alcohol? A. Weight. B. Height. C. Age and gender. Answer is A. Weight. The next question. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Use your left foot to brake. B. Use your right foot for both braking and accelerating your vehicle. C. Use your left foot for both braking and accelerating your vehicle. Answer is B. Use your right foot for both braking and accelerating your vehicle. What should you do if you approach a red light and a traffic officer directs you to go through the intersection? A. Stop until the light turns green. B. Obey the guidance and proceed through the intersection. C. Come to a complete stop before proceeding. Answer is B. Obey the guidance and proceed through the intersection. The next one. If a vehicle is equipped with airbags, A. Seat belts should still be worn. B. Seat belts do not need to be worn. C. Wearing seat belts are optional. The answer is A. Seat belts should still be worn. A broken yellow center line means that A. Passing is not permitted. B. Passing on the right is permitted when the way ahead is clear. C. Passing on the left is permitted when the way ahead is clear. Answer is C. Passing on the left is permitted when the way ahead is clear. The next question. If you are being followed too closely on a two-lane road, A. Reduce your speed slowly to encourage the tailgater to drive around you. B. Speed up to increase the distance between you and the other car. C. Apply your brakes to slow down, then resume your original speed. Answer is A. Reduce your speed slowly to encourage the tailgater to drive around you. When driving under snowy or icy conditions, A. It is safe to use your cruise control. B. Be cautious when making speed and directional changes. C. Drive as you would under normal conditions. Answer is B. Be cautious when making speed and directional changes. Flashing yellow traffic signal at an intersection means A. You should treat the signal like a stop sign. B. Stop and yield to all cross traffic before crossing the intersection. C. Slow down and be alert at the upcoming intersection. Answer is C. Slow down and be alert at the upcoming intersection. You should increase the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead when you A. Are following a small passenger vehicle. B. Are being tailgated by another driver. C. Are driving more slowly than the posted speed limit. Answer is B. Are being tailgated by another driver. Which lane must you be in a two-lane road before making a left turn? A. The lane nearest to the left curb. B. The lane with the least traffic. C. The lane nearest to the right curb. Answer is A, the lane nearest to the left curb. If a truck or bus is making a right turn where you also need to make a right turn, you should A, quickly turn before the truck or bus. B, wait until the truck or bus turns before you turn. C, squeeze between the truck or bus and the curb. Answer is B, wait until the truck or bus turns before you turn. Stopping distances and the severity of collisions. A, decrease as a vehicle's speed increases. B, are not affected by a vehicle's speed. C, increase as the vehicle's speed increases. Answer is C, increase as a vehicle's speed increases. In which of the following scenarios should your wheels not be pointed straight ahead? A, when waiting to make a left turn at a traffic light. B, when parked on a hill or sloping driveway. C, when parked on the side of a level roadway where there is no curb. Answer is B, when parked on a hill or sloping driveway. On a freeway, you should look farther ahead than you would on a city street. A, in order to see potential hazards early. B, because it takes longer to change lanes. C, because it helps you keep up with traffic. Answer is A, in order to see potential hazards early. If a vehicle suddenly cuts in front of you, creating a hazard, what should you do first? A, honk your horn. B, take your foot off the gas pedal. C, swerve into the lane next to you. Answer is B, take your foot off the gas pedal. If you come to an intersection controlled by a flashing red light, you must A, wait for the green light before proceeding. B, slow down and cross the intersection carefully. C, make a complete stop before crossing the intersection. Answer is C, make a complete stop before crossing the intersection. When changing lanes on a freeway, you should A, signal for at least 5 seconds. B, slow down before you start to change lanes. C, assume traffic in the next lane always gives you enough space. Answer is A, signal for at least 5 seconds. You are on the freeway and traffic is merging into your lane. You should A, make room for the merging traffic if possible. B, drive fast because it is your right of way. C, always yield to the merging traffic. Answer is A, make room for the merging traffic if possible. What is an important step in turning left? A, check traffic in all directions. B, complete the turn as soon as possible. C, always move to the least traffic lane. Answer is A, check traffic in all directions. Excessive speed. A, does not increase the chance of a crash. B, increases your ability to react to a hazard. C, often leads to high-risk decision-making. Answer is C, often leads to high-risk decision-making. A pedestrian starts to cross the street and your signal light changes to green. You should A, proceed if you have the right of way. B, proceed if the pedestrian is not yet in your lane. C, Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. Answer is C. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. Alcohol is A. Stimulant, B. Antihistamine, C. Depressant that slows down brain functioning. Answer is C. Depressant slows down brain functioning. If you miss your exit on the freeway, you should not. A. Continue on the freeway and find an alternate route to your destination. B. Proceed to the next exit, leave the freeway, and return to your proper exit. C. Back up on the road or shoulder. Answer is C. Back up on the road or shoulder. You can drive off the road to pass another vehicle. A. If the vehicle ahead is turning left. B. If two or more lanes are traveling in your direction. C. Under no circumstances. Answer is C. Under no circumstances. Which of the following driving skills is affected by the use of alcohol and drugs? A. Alertness and concentration. B. Reaction, time, and coordination. C. Both of the above. Answer is C. Both of the above. Using a cell phone while operating a motor vehicle is considered a distraction because A. It is the law that both hands be on the steering wheel. B. It occupies the driver's hands, eyes, and mind. C. It is an activity that draws the attention of other drivers. Answer is B. It occupies the driver's hands, eyes, and mind. Night driving presents unique problems because A. The speed limit is increased at night. B. There is more traffic on the roads at night. C. Distance and vehicle speeds are difficult to judge in the dark. Answer is C. Distance and vehicle speed are difficult to judge in the dark. You are driving on the freeway behind an oversized truck. You should drive A. Closely behind the truck because the driver can see further ahead than you can. B. Farther behind the truck than you would when following a passenger vehicle. C. To the left side of the truck so that the driver can see you properly. Answer is B. Farther behind the truck than you would when following a passenger vehicle. Adjust your rear view and side mirrors. A. Before you start driving. B. Whenever you need to use them. C. At a speed lower than 35 mph. Answer is A. Before you start driving. Increase your following distance when driving behind a large vehicle. A. To better see around the sides of your vehicle. B. Because other drivers tend to pull behind the large vehicle. C. Because following too closely will limit your ability to pass the large vehicle. Answer is A. To better see around the sides of a vehicle. A distraction when driving is A. Check your side and rear view mirrors. B. Anything that takes your attention away from driving. C. Anything that causes you to pay more attention to driving. Answer is B. Anything that takes your attention away from driving.